Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing another video today and I'm very excited because it's April, it's Taurus season, and if you didn't know, I'm born April 26th. I am a Taurus and I'm very out of it, okay? So I want to do another makeup look and I really want to do another festival look because I forgot Coachella was going on for 2 weekends. Yeah, and I was like, but I want to do a Taurus look, and I was like, but I don't have horns, and there's a reason I own horns already, because I never wanted to do like a devil look or a demon look or anything like that. So therefore, I don't own horns. But I was like, but to be a Taurus, I need horns because bull, duh. I was gonna go to this store called Echoes of Time locally in my area because I know it's the only place I could probably go where I could get horns year round and not just in October. It's a little bit of a hike from me to drive from my house all the way out there, and I went to Party City because I was like, well, if I can't go out there, let me go to Party City, and I was very disappointed because they didn't have any. Yeah, and then I found like this really cool bunny mask at Party City, and I was like, maybe I should do like a really cool like Easter look, and I was like, but the mask deflates the entire point of doing a look because it was like this much of your face covered, and I was like, no. At this point, I just want it because it looks cool, and I can't do anything with it for a video. So I scratched that, went back to my Taurus thing, and I was like, I'm just going to make my own horns. So that's what we're gonna do today. Gather around, kids, it's art time. All you're gonna need to make these horns is a headband, which I got from Target for about $6, and it's overpriced. I got my modeling clay from Michael's for about $12. I wasn't sure how much to get, so I got this big one. So yeah, Michael's. And I got black matte spray paint, also from Michael's. And gold spray paint, also from Michael's. And gold glitter spray paint, also from Michael's. These I already had laying around in my room because I am an artist, so I already have various art supplies that are just here. You're also going to need some newspaper or some kind of scrap paper to use. We're going to be doing paper mache, and you're going to want some paste, obviously. Now, if you don't know how to make your paste for paper mache, it's just flour and water. Mix it up real good, get all the lumps out, and then you got paste. It's really disturbing, the fact that flour and water is how you make paste for paper mache. You're literally making edible glue. You can eat your glue. That disturbs me. Moving on. Alright guys, so I bought this modeling clay from Michael's, and let me tell you right now that none of the clips that you're about to see actually worked out for me. I actually gave up on my original plan. I was supposed to be making the mold of the horns out of the modeling clay and then making paper mache out of it and connecting the paper mache mold onto my headband, and that didn't work out like at all for me, so I just went ahead and like remolded these. And by the way, I like completely deleted the clip of me actually making the shape of the mold out of the clay because it looked a little inappropriate. So yeah, that's why you don't actually see me doing that. Anyway, so yeah, I did the mold. It didn't work out. I did all the paper mache stuff. By the way, I actually hate doing paper mache. The reason I hate paper mache is the paste. The paste itself is just disgusting. And yeah, oh, and by the way, it's really messy. So I suggest you do this in an area of your house you just don't care about, or just make sure you know, cover up your area real good so you don't make a mess. Anyway, but yeah, it didn't work out for me. I ended up just modeling the clay. I threw it in the oven for about 10 minutes to bake. That was not enough time for it to bake, but that's all. I was very impatient because I wanted to get it done within 2 days. In this next clip coming up, I just decided to let you guys listen to what I was currently watching and listening to myself. I was watching a new Mikey video, aka Glam and Gore, and yeah, this is how I spend my time making my videos when I need the sound.
The amount of things wrong with this film would take me literally probably 8 hours to go through, genuinely. Let me synopsize this movie for you, because trying to explain the plot of the film is so messy that that alone could be its own video, but I really want to get into the critique of it.
This is like the most basic synopsis ever.
We got a synopsis right here. The film begins with a baby, Sebastian, being born. After Sebastian viciously murders the doctors who delivered him, his mother realizes that there is something seriously wrong with the child. It is then revealed that he is the son of the devil. Is that even revealed? That's not even revealed. Rude, Wikipedia. Anyway, I know it's bullshit. Over the course of the movie, Sebastian brutally that's hard to say, brutally murders many people, and tragedy strikes many others. Sure. Some dude attempts to steal the baby from Sebastian's birth parents many times and eventually does. He steals Sebastian in order to embrace his evil calling. Police officers attempt to kill this dude, but this dude and his companions use Sebastian to murder them. The movie ends with all the main characters dead, and their deaths were associated in some way to Sebastian. Spoiler alert. A+ synopsis. Let's see. So, I'm just gonna start complaining about several things in the movie, I suppose. My first complaint is that literally none of it makes sense. Nothing is done the way that real life things are done.
So this clip right here was literally right after I took these out of the oven and baked them, and this one right here is when I glued them to my headband with the hot glue, and I burnt 3 of my fingers and I was really pissed off, and there's a lot of profanity, so I was in a moment. Hello again. So it's currently like almost midnight. I took a very long break. This is what the horns are currently looking like. So the whole paper mache thing was not working out very well, so I just scratched that and I decided to just mold them, and I actually baked these and they didn't bake all the way through, and you know what, I'm just like really aggravated with it. And this one broke a little bit, like a lot of it, and it's seen some things and it's been through some shit, and I had to hot glue it back together twice or 3 times, and yeah, super fun times, guys. But I'm gonna let this sit overnight. This is not turning out like I wanted, but I'm pushing through anyways because I really want to do this look, and hopefully it turns out awesome and it looks well put together in the end process. Like, I don't know, I can still make this work. I really can. I'll just be really happy when I'm done. But yeah, until tomorrow I will be getting into I almost dropped it. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to spray paint the headband too, and then we'll do the makeup because I'm not staying up to do this. So yeah, till next time. Hello again. It's now the next day. It's been approximately 24 hours plus 1 since I started this project yesterday. So right now I'm just going to spray paint these horns and we're gonna move on to everything else. So let's continue. Okay, while I'm waiting for that first layer of black paint to dry, I'm going to start putting stuff on the face. Alright, and before I jump into the makeup for real, I went ahead and changed my shirt too because I have a shirt that says that I am a Taurus. For her. I have to rework that in. We are now done with all of the makeup. I'm going to spray paint the gold portions of my horns. Fumes are everywhere. While we're waiting for my lovely masterpiece to dry, I'm just going to read some facts about Tauruses. Okay, we'll see. I will determine if these are true or not. Well, about myself anyway. Taurus always has a lot to say. They just wait for the right time. They want their words, all of them, to stick. That is very true. I am very, very, very quiet, but I always have something to say, but I never say it unless it absolutely needs to be said at the right time. Taurus is blunt and to the point, but has no idea when to tone it down. Yes, I am very, very, very blunt. I like to think that I do know when to tone it down. I mean, I've definitely had situations in my life where I had to learn from that, but for the most part, that is very true. When Taurus do get mad, they explode like a volcano, and everyone in the way is getting it, friend or foe. That is very true. I'm good at not pointing my anger towards people who have nothing to do with the situation, but if you try to step in and I don't think you have like a right to say anything to me, I'm gonna take my anger out on you, and I'm sorry about that. I have apologized to people about that very same issue before in life, and yeah, it's not fun. Just don't make me mad. Don't make me mad. Don't make a Taurus mad. Just don't do it. If a Taurus lets you in, value it, because it doesn't happen very often. It doesn't. It really doesn't. Tauruses are not afraid to say the most cruel truth when you need to hear it. Very true. That goes along with the bluntness. What makes a Taurus happy? Not doing anything the entire day except for sleeping and eating. Taurus can be a very lazy creature. We are very lazy. See, the thing is that we're supposed to be like goal oriented and driven, but we're also lazy, so we're kind of a contradiction in itself. But we are very, very, very lazy ones. And I actually did just spend an entire day sleeping and eating just like 2 or 3 days ago. Guilty. It takes a lot for a Taurus to show emotion. Only few can get inside. Very true. Taurus is not easily fooled. They use too much logic to fall for just anything. I'm watching you. How to avoid being on their bad side. Don't touch their food or disturb them while they disturb them from their sleep. Oh my gosh. Yes, I hate it when people disturb my sleep. First of all, I'm not a morning person. If I'm taking a nap in the middle of the day, don't wake me up. And also, just don't touch my food. Don't touch my food. A Taurus speaks 2 things, sarcasm and realness. Yes, sarcasm is my fluent native language, and I come from the state of reality. Taurus pet peeves: being rushed, true. Interruption, true. Sudden changes, I adapt, but I hate change. Lack of common sense, oh my gosh, you have no idea. Ignorance, Being hungry, yes, being hungry is a very uncomfortable feeling. I read the other day that the color of choice for Taurus is supposed to be pink. What? I hate pink. I hate pink. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. They're generous, dependable, down to earth, patient. What? That is wrong. Independent. Yes, persistent. Depends on what it is. Negative traits. Stubborn. Yes, I'm very stubborn. Self-indulgent. At times. You already mentioned lazy. Yes, we're lazy. I'm not materialistic. Thank you very much. Possessive. Maybe if you're talking about like my relationship. Yeah. Frugal. How's being frugal a negative trait? That is a positive. Whatever. My lucky day is Friday. Lucky number is 6, 15, 24, 33, 42, and 51. Lucky colors: pale blue, pale green, pink, Ew, in all pastel shades, no. Positive qualities of Taurus are practicality, artistic bent of mind, stability, trustworthiness, humanity, and loyalty. Negative qualities of Taurus: self-indulgence, laziness, stubbornness, prejudice. I take offense to that. Limited outlook and possessiveness. Compatible signs: Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, and Pisces. All of my best friends to this date have so far like ended up being Pisces. Literally, I'm not even exaggerating. I've had 3 best friends and every single one of them have been a Pisces, or they're either the same sign as me. All of my best friends have always either been a Pisces or a Taurus. Famous Taurus personalities: Queen Elizabeth, Karl Marx, William Shakespeare, ooh, Florence Nightingale, ew, Adolf Hitler, Janet Jackson, woo! We're done. I think we're done. Alright guys, we're at the end of this video. The look is done. I actually forgot to record an outro for this video. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you guys want more content like this, make sure to hit the bell for notifications. I upload every week and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.